All right, we are going camping in our Honda Odyssey. This is how we do it. We've got the bunk beds in here. I've got camp chairs here. Got the paddleboard in there. Rollerblades underneath. And let's see what we got on this side. Volleyball and lines. Kitchen backpack. We went tiny for the kitchen. Usually I have a bin. And I usually access this from the other side, but the big cooler's in the way, so this is how we pack our clothes in this little organizer thing. And I love it because we just pull it out and push it back under, and that usually will give us 4 days worth of clothes right there. But we're going up while it's cold, and we got to bring some extra things today. So yes, ready to roll. So excited. Our cups are our garbages. Let's see what it looks like from the front. And I got my youngest daughter sits back in the back there in the little seat. My older daughter will sit up front with me, and then I drive. So yep, we'll go from the other side here. So I don't have official leveling blocks, but I have used these pieces of wood for the past 4 years, and they have worked wonderful. So those are my leveling blocks. And all of this, well, the big cooler comes out, the wood, and then those bags kind of move and shift. These are our screens that go on the windows. And we've got games, so we are set. I put in